Hello and welcome to my review of the TiHAN IIT Hyderabad in collaboration with Masai School and the National Skill Development Corporation course on AI, ML, and drone tech. Special shout out to their team for sponsoring this video. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a basic overview of the course and why I think it's something that opens up a lot of opportunities. So as you can see over here, it's basically an industry recognized certification from TiHAN IIT Hyderabad for AI and drone technology, and it helps you unlock a lot of placement opportunities, internship opportunities, and you get to work on a lot of hands-on AI projects. So there's a lot of cool stuff here, and I'll leave this link along with a couple others in the description for you to check out. Now, one thing that is very personal about me is I love studying the greats in every walk of life, and two of them here, among many others, do believe that AI is the present and AI is the future, which is something that we are all aware of. So you can see Jensen Huang here. He is very passionate about AI and the growth, especially with everything that NVIDIA is doing to lead the AI race. And we also have Jeff Bezos here emphasizing the importance of AI. AI is obviously a $1 trillion market in my opinion, but obviously there's some estimations here. Pretty cool stuff, just emphasizing how valuable AI and ML are and are going to be in the future. So TiHAN IIT Hyderabad is a very reputed testbed for autonomous navigation and drones. It's renowned for pioneering work in drone innovations used by startups, industries, and even defense organizations. So it's backed by the government's DST, and they're doing a lot of cool stuff in the drone tech and AI space. So the eligibility process is you just have to clear a qualifier test, which is tomorrow or this Sunday. And once doing that, you get shortlisted, you go through a short process, and you get to participate in the program. So it's very cool. And as you can see over here, this is the details for the test. So the test covers basic logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and basic mathematics. And it just costs 99 rupees for the test, which is a very reasonable price, and it's 100% refund if you don't qualify, or if you qualify but choose not to enroll after the counseling. So you also unlock a free mock test and practice before the actual exam. So it's a 1-hour test, and you get to take the test only once on a desktop or a laptop on your Google Chrome browser. So anyways, these are some financials and commercials about the test and some partnerships with Masai School. And this program is for literally anyone. It's a weekend compatible program, so if you're a working professional or a student, you can still do this course on your own time. And that's also something that's really cool. You can align your schedule with the course. There's a lot of cool things that you can work out because they've tried to make this course open to as many people as possible. And you can basically take your technical expertise to the next level by mastering AI and ML for drone tech with these guys. This is all pretty cool stuff. And you get to build recommendation systems like Netflix and a bunch of other cool projects that they will help you work on. And there's a lot of different special things about this program that I think I should touch upon. So the first thing is that you get a guaranteed internship interview at TiHAN IIT Hyderabad, but only if you're a top scorer. So that means with a CGPA of 9 or above, you get a direct interview opportunity with them. And obviously you get to learn from the best in the industry, TiHAN scientists, IIT faculty, industry experts, and some pretty cool stuff over here. You also get campus immersion at TiHAN IIT Hyderabad for 2 days. So you get a 2 days on-campus experience at TiHAN IIT Hyderabad. That is also something that I think is very, very cool. And 15 to 20 hours of specialization in drone technology. So you get to see all of the different real-world applications of drones hands-on, and you get to build and explore with drones, which is, to me, very fascinating. And then you obviously get a certification by TiHAN IIT Hyderabad, which is a premier research hub for autonomous navigation and drone technology. So this is all pretty cool stuff. And as you can see here, this program, you get a certificate and dedicated student support, a lot of really cool things that you can do with this course. So you also get to experiment with Python, deep learning, neural networks, and you also can participate in the course through an EMI. So even if you don't want to pay up front, you can pay with monthly installments. A lot of different cool stuff. Now, the program also has over 5,000 hiring partners. Some of the major names there are Swiggy, Razorpay, Flipkart. So you get those opportunities as well, and there's no coding background required to participate in this course. So this is all some very cool stuff. You can see all of the different modules here, and you can see the mentors. So there's data scientists in AI ML and associate directors in data science and AI. And you can see all of the cool stuff that Masai School does cover here. So if you want to reach out to them, you can do so through this contact. I will leave this link in the description for you to check out. Now, there's a bunch of other stuff that you can understand about this course. It's a 6-month live online program for you, so you don't have to leave the comfort of your home to learn this drone tech and AI tech. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys are interested, the link will be in the description. And once again, special shout out to Masai School, NSDC, and TiHAN IIT Hyderabad and their entire team for putting together this course and this collaboration. So yeah, peace.